Hello everyone, welcome to part 28 of Laravel 9 series in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the sections module that we have started in the last few videos, and in this video we are going to add the delete functionality for this section, for deleting this section, and we will also do the confirmation. We will do the JavaScript alert, confirm with simple JavaScript alert, and also we are going to embed the SweetAlert JavaScript or jQuery plugin for make that confirmation attractive. Okay, so we are going to use that for every module later on. So let's start. So we have seen that we able to show all the sections in entire table. We able to add the active inactive status for the section as well, that is working with the Ajax, and Ajax is still we are using for Laravel 9 as well. Okay, so we find no issue with Ajax, so it's, you can see it's working so smoothly, instantly, and at real time, so there is no issue to replace this with other like React or that thing we will also do in our future videos, React Vue.js and Axios. Okay, so right now let's focus on the delete functionality, and that first of all we will add the delete function and delete route. So I'm going to open the web.php file in which we are going to add the delete functionality, we have earlier also. I think we have added the delete functionality for any of the modules. So if not added, we are going to add the delete functionality module here. Okay, so here we are going to add its route. Okay, here we are going to add route, and then we will add the get route for deleting. Just id is required to delete. Okay, so we will add something like delete section. Okay, and after section we are going to add its id. Okay, so we are going to id, section id is required, so we are going to make its function like delete section in the section controller. Okay, so we are going to open the section controller and we'll add its function. After this one we will add one function for deleting the section, public function delete section, and here we're going to add the id, okay, of the section. And now we are going to delete the section, delete section. Okay, here we are going to delete this section. We can add the comment as well, and we are going to check with the section model, and we are going to delete. We are going to compare with the id of the section, where id and id is coming $id, and there is the keyword that we are going to use the delete function. Okay, delete inbuilt function, and we will just show the message there like section has been deleted successfully. Okay, successfully. Okay, this message we are going to show, and here we will just do return redirect back. It is simple enough. With message, with this message, success message. Okay, and this message we are going to pass out, return. Okay, so we will open that sections.blade.php file, and here we are required to display those messages like we are displaying in other modules. Like I think we have added, not here, we have added in other modules, like we are going to open update admin details, and here I think we have added, yeah. So like success message, this we can add here. After here we can add. Okay, so now we can try once like this. So now here see there is no alert. See, just it will straight away delete the appliances. section. Okay, so I'm going to click here on delete icon. So section has been deleted successfully, it is coming fine, and our section has been deleted and the alert is coming success. The confirmation is coming, but here we require that alert. Okay, first of all we are going to add the JavaScript alert, simple alert, and after that we are going to add the jQuery, that SweetAlert. Okay, so simple JavaScript alert, first of all that alert we are going to add, and for that we are not required to do much. Okay, so first of all we are going to check that what we have given here in delete function, admin delete hyphen section id, that is fine. And here we are going to add one class here, and also we're going to add one title here. Title, we can add some title like section. Okay, and after title we can give the class here. Class we can give confirmDelete. Okay, to confirm that first that section want to delete or not. And now we are going to open the custom.js file. Custom.js file, remove the unwanted files. Okay, so in custom.js file, here we are going to add to this one, we are going to add confirm deletion. Okay, this one we can use for all the modules. Okay, we will add in such a way that we can use for all the modules. Okay, not only for section but for other modules as well. So there is the jQuery function confirm delete. Okay, based on this class, on the click of this function, click function, we are going to add. Click on the click of this function, we are going to perform we have taken that variable title there. Okay, we will get this title from dollar this attribute is title. Okay, so attribute is title. We have the another series, jQuery series. If your jQuery is weak, then you can follow that series. You can search the jQuery series as well in our channel. Okay, so see, now if we want, first of all we are want to confirm. If confirm, we are going to confirm like, are you sure to delete this, whatever will come here. Okay, this one, this is section, means section is coming in title, we are passing there in title. So we are going to use that title here, title plus okay, so question mark will come up here, like this one. Okay, so now if that person confirms, then return true. Return true means do activity, whatever you want to do, we can do that activity now. Otherwise we will perform that return false. Return false means here that stop the execution, stop the further execution. Return true means continue the further execution. That means the deletion of the section, deletion of the record, we can say. Okay, any record that the person want to delete. Okay, so now we are going to click on this one. It is asking us, are you sure to delete this section? Okay, so so even you can give in, like you want to give in caps, you can give that section in caps like this one. Okay, so now again, are you sure you want to delete this section? We can say cancel. We can click on cancel if you are not sure, so it will not delete this section. So this kind of confirmation is required for all the modules, because sometimes user or admin may click by mistake. Okay, now click on this one, are you sure you delete to this section? And this time the user, user intentionally click on this icon, and he wants to delete this actually, so he can click on OK. And see, when once we have click on OK, that section has been deleted successfully, and you can see the confirmation has come and this section has been deleted. Okay, so it's working fine. Okay, so this one you can keep. This one, this is the basic JavaScript check you can add for all the modules. Okay, so this is required, this is mandatory to use. And now we are going to add few of the sections from the admin panel. We have not added the feature of adding the section from the admin, that we will do in the next video. But first of all, we are going to integrate the SweetAlert. Okay, so that we're going to do now. and see, I'm going to add the another two sections that was already there, so that we can remove those again. Okay, so electronics, so see the IDs here, like we, if we will add like this, their IDs always increment. Okay, appliances. Okay, so we have added two more sections once again. Okay, so now this time we are going to use the SweetAlert JavaScript library. Okay, SweetAlert library we are going to use, and we are going to use this library. We are going to search SweetAlert 2, this one. So we can open the first link, SweetAlert 2. We need to install this SweetAlert 2. Okay, so there are some steps that we are required to take. Just search for the its installation. So here click on the installation. So very easy to install this SweetAlert 2 that we are going to use for all the modules. Okay, we can even search from here. See here, this one is the way to install with npm. Okay, npm install SweetAlert 2. Just copy this one and run for your project. We are going to run for our Ecom 9 project. New terminal, add folder, and simply run this one. So if it gives, npm gives any error, then make sure that you have added that node.js. Okay, so 85 packages are looking for funding. Okay, so that seems to resolve issues. So run an audit for details. Added one package, so this package has been added, SweetAlert 2. Okay, so now see, we are required to add the SweetAlert script as well. So right now we can just simply copy the script and we'll paste in our layout.blade.php file, and here at the end we can add the script for SweetAlert. Okay, we can add the comment as well here. See, for confirm deletion. Okay, this one. So now we can able to use this script, and like we want to confirm, we for the confirm dialog we can just click on this one here. We get the confirm buttons and much more scripts. We can search for that thing. See, these are, we are required to for radio checkbox, file range. Okay, so we are going to use this uh, for actually confirm. We can search here, confirm button text. So I have seen in this website, like, are you see confirm dialog. So this one, a confirm dialog with a function attached to the confirm button. So this one we are going to use this one. Are you sure you want to able to revert this? Yes, delete it. Are you sure? Okay, so this one seems to be perfect. We are going to use this one. Okay, uh, but first of all we will test that it's working fine. Okay, for that see, what we are going to do, we are going to see, use this custom.js. We can just simply comment this one, confirm deletion, simple JavaScript. I will copy this one. Okay, and we'll paste again, and I am going to comment this one, and here confirm deletion, and here SweetAlert, SweetAlert library, that is in jQuery. So SweetAlert jQuery is actually the JavaScript as well. Okay, so but that is the advanced JavaScript. That is we can work with Ajax and other modules with the help of jQuery only. So now see this one. What we are going to replace? We are going to remove this one, and we are going to first add this one here. We need to make sure this that this will work or not. Okay, so just check once. See, click on this and see it is working fine, but it goes away when it works, and it goes away straight away because we are just using it and just firing it. Okay, we need to do some changes in this one. Okay, for this one. Okay, so there are simple alert as well that we can just check, like this one, any for using computer, like this one we can just use this one. Okay, so I can just copy this one, and this one also we can use. I think this is the simplest one. Okay, just to check the functionality that is working fine. So refresh and we'll click on this one. Okay, so that is working fine, but that is going away. See, once we click it, see, we are required to pass the return false. We are required to do that. Okay, so see, we are going to work on that confirm dialog only. Okay, this one, and we will make the changes with this one. Okay, I'm going to copy this one, and we're going to place it here. Sorry. Okay, so now see, first one is, are you sure? That is fine. You won't be able to revert this. That is also fine. Warning messy. That is also fine. Okay, this one, yes, delete it. Then result, if result is confirmed, then we fire deleted. Your file has been deleted. Success. And after that, see here, what we are going to do. We are going to add one, like window dot location. Okay, and we are going to pass to our page like that admin delete section. Okay, and for that we will do one more thing now. See, along with the confirm delete, I'm going to add now a few other IDs I'm going to add here. Like one thing I'm going to add here, record. Okay, record and record ID. So here in record I am going to send the module name, like the section. Okay, and in so first of all, we will do one thing. We are going to see this simple one, we will keep for backup. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one. I will paste it so that if anything goes wrong, we can use the simple way. Okay, so always do like this. Okay, see, always take the backup of your earlier code, otherwise it will waste time. If you want to use your earlier code, then you don't have the backup, then you need to code that again. So here we not require the title, so we can remove the title. Okay, so we just require the class confirmDelete, and also we don't require now href. Okay, we will dynamically do that, and here we will just use that javascript void 0, so that it will not go to any link. Okay, 0, and class confirmDelete is fine, and after that we will use that record here. We are going to add, or we will use something like more meaningful, like module. Okay, module looks better. Like module is section module, and module ID. What is the module ID? And module ID is the section ID. Okay, so section ID we are getting here, this one. So this one we will just copy this one, the module ID. Okay, see, we are just required to copy this for all the modules where we require the delete functionality. Okay, with jQuery and with SweetAlert. Okay, so the just module and module ID, we are going to use these two. So here in confirmDelete we reach here. So now we want to go to that specific okay function, okay, admin, then delete. Okay, then what we have passed the record and record ID. Okay, so before doing anything, see here, I just do it like this. I'm not adding here. First of all, we need to get those. We will get the that variable module is that whatever the current module is, dot this dot attribute, and that is the current module that we will there. Okay, and after that the module ID. Okay, so we will just check that is fine or not, return false. And also see here, variable alert module ID, alert module or module ID, alert module. Also make sure that there is no keyword. Sometimes there are keywords that don't work. Section is seems to be fine. Okay, and module ID. So one, that is also fine. So we get both. Okay, variable module and module ID. Okay, so we can remove this one, and now we can use them here. Like we are going to, like, delete section must be here, delete. Then here we will use that hyphen is there. Okay, so after that plus and that module name. Okay, after module name we again do the plus mark here, and we want to delete that that particular that section. Okay, and for that we are going to use that module ID. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. It will delete that. Okay, but still we need to make sure that we want to confirm the user to delete the function first, or to delete that section first. Okay, so we are going to try this one. Okay, so we are required to add much more sections now. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to add again. Okay, so let's try now. Okay, so now if we'll click on here. Okay, so are you sure? So it is asking us, are you sure you want to able to you won't be able to revert this? Okay, yes, delete it or cancel. If we will click on cancel, see, it will not delete. Okay, it will not delete anything. And if we click on yes, delete it, then it's going to get deleted, and here the message comes, section has been deleted successfully. Okay, so this time it's working fine. Also, every time if we'll click on delete icon, it will ask you. So same kind of thing we are going to use for all the modules. Okay, so this is the SweetAlert we are going to add for all the modules, and you can add of your own choice. You can update this SweetAlert as per your own requirement. There are many dialog boxes here. You can modify it as per your own requirement. You can try with different layouts. Okay, and modify it, but we are going to use this. It looks attractive, and it clearly tells user that you want to delete it, then press on yes, delete it. Otherwise you can press on cancel to abort. Okay, so like once again I'm going to click on delete. Yes, delete it. Then the message will also come there, and it will also show that yes, deleted. Okay, you can see deleted. Okay, and it shows here as well. So both Laravel as well as the SweetAlert confirmation comes after the deletion. Okay, so now see, delete you have seen with the normal JavaScript. Okay, that confirm, or the SweetAlert confirm, you can use either of those two. And we have done the delete functionality as well. So we will add one final time. We are going to make the next id as 2. Okay, so now see, uh, when we are going to add, so like if I will add here electronics, then id 2 will come at electronics. Okay, then id 2 will come this time. Okay, and also one more we are going to add, like appliances. So in next video we are going to add this one from the admin panel itself, add edit functionality we are going to work on in the next video. So please stay tuned for the next video. We will finish this sections module in the next video, then we will start working on the categories module. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So that's all for now.